there's really three stages. You have your emergency exigent time period from your lights off to lights on. And that's where you come in and augment the staff, document the damage. And then you have, after that, it's getting your system back to pre-storm condition. That's your middle ground. That's having the damage assessors out there looking at the damage, what needs to be resagged, what needs to be repaired. And that's also qualifying for the third step of mitigation. If your damage meets the federal guidelines, you can mitigate against further risk by strengthening and hardening or completely rebuilding. So those are kind of what I see as the three different stages. And RMA has things in place for all three stages of that recovery.